Countries and nations are collapsing as we speak, guys. The world is in turmoil, right? So let's prepare. What's really happening today, guys? It's about to begin. I mean, not really. It has already begun. The Joker is about to pop out at any moment in time, guys. Prepare, prepare, prepare. From unusual whales, America's banks are missing hundreds of billions of dollars per The Economist. They said over the past years, those in commercial banks have sunk by $500 billion, a drop of nearly 3%. This makes the financial system more fragile. You don't say, guys? Wait a minute. Of course it does, because these are all the stepping stones towards for the climax, right? The finale, which is the collapse, since banks must shrink to repay their deposits. Now, it's about to get pretty crazy, guys, here, right here. So pay very close attention. It has truly begun, right? Breaking reports emerging that Argentina's central bank has run out of United States dollars and started using customer deposits of USD. Wait a minute, what? Basically, inflation running hot at 104%. It has, and as well as it has suspended operations for Monday. It's happening, guys. It's literally happening as we speak. This is how you guys know we're so close to the demise of the current financial system, guys, right? So if it's happening over there, guys, inflation running hot at over 100%. Wait, what? You can't even fathom that, guys. That's just absolutely ridiculous, right? How are people even living at this point, guys, when everything is skyrocketing over there, right? It doesn't make sense at all. What is the government doing, right? What's happening, guys? Again, oh my, they're really going to take advantage of this crisis. That's number one. Number two, they're going to make you dependent on their system, which when the collapse happens, you will beg and plead out for their solution. Most people can't imagine 104% inflation, right? It's happened. Go to Nigeria or Turkey, guys. Again, so many different places, right? Very high inflation. If it can happen in other parts of the world, guys, why not in the United States, which will be the last domino to fall, right? Hyperinflation. As well, they had to suspend operations for Monday, guys. I'm pretty sure they closed banks down, if I'm not mistaken. Now, Argentina, if you just type it on Twitter searches, guys, look at this right here. Video, right? Videos. New. The people of Argentina right here is basically are taking to the streets in the face of 104% inflation and bank closures. Again, the banks are literally closing down, guys, because how hectic it's getting there, right? If they're going after the banks, you guys know what Brad Garlinghouse stated, if I'm not mistaken, they're going to bring out the tanks, guys, right? The last thing is obviously them not wanting the collapse of the system, right? Or the people to what? As you guys can see, space go up, right? Wow, guys, this is absolutely just crazy. Crazy. Now, if you think that was crazy, guys, check this out. This is Bitcoin to Argentine pesos, right? So basically, we got that's just a crazy number, God. That's just a crazy number. So this is Bitcoin compared to or paired with the peso, right? So their currency over there. Now, what's interesting is Bitcoin literally created the first all-time high back in April 9th, 2021, then created a second all-time high back in November 5th, 2021, then now created a new all-time high, guys. Wait, what is this? Right, this is absolutely just crazy. Look at that. Wait, did it? I think it did. Wow, guys. Yep, it literally created a new all-time high. That's insanity, right? So people are now talking about how Bitcoin is a store of value, right? It's hedging against inflation and all sorts of stuff. But guys, you could say literally the same thing about XRP. Look at this. This is XRP compared to their currency over there, the peso, right? So XRP was creating all-time high since back in the day, guys. As you guys can see, it did create a new all-time high paired with their currency, right? But it did go down in price, guys. Now it's going back up heavily, as you guys can see, compared with their currency, right? So you could technically say XRP is a store of value as well, guys, right? So I don't know. They're very fascinating indeed, guys. Now, if you think you're safe, probably not, because 1 in 10 Americans now buying groceries on installments, right? Now, this is absolutely crazy. I'm not going to play the video at all, but
surveys suggest
I'll leave the link down below, guys. Basically, because again, they want you dependent on their system. Why? Because then universal basic income will come into play, guys, right? UBI. But Mr. Poole stated there will be a hidden motive behind it. I still don't understand what the hidden motive will be, guys, but there will be one. The problem is hyperinflation or inflation, right? The reaction is people going on installments to buy groceries, right? People are panicking. People don't know what to do, guys. More debt, all these things. And then obviously the solution will be what? Universal basic income, guys. Obviously, the solution will be bringing upon a new currency, right? It's all tied together, to say the least, guys. They want to collapse, not want to, but they will collapse the current system, right? For them to fulfill it all. Now, breaking, Argentina's central bank has run out of USD and is now using customer deposits. You can't make that stuff up. Customer deposits, guys. That's literally FTX, right? That's literally crypto companies doing right now, commingling of funds. Wait, what? The global bank run has begun from Max Kaiser. Then we see right here, Justin, Central Bank of Argentina suspended operations until today, Monday. Foreign payments have been suspended. There are no more dollars, it seems. This is absolutely crazy, guys, right? Something big is about to happen. Load up in Bitcoin. I wouldn't say Bitcoin, guys, even though Bitcoin might be safe for now. But again, during the collapse, it's bye-bye, 100%, guys. I'm very heavily into XRP and a few different currencies, digital assets that I do have in my portfolio. But again, guys, the only coin I'll hold through or to weather the storm is going to be XRP, right? Every other coin I'm going to sell. Unless XRP is at a very high price before the collapse. That's the only way I'll sell, guys, right? If it's in the higher double digits territory. If not, I'm holding, guys, or selling a little bit, right, to buy some gold and physical silver. Because holy F, the global bank run has started, guys. You guys can see all this stuff, which we just talked about, but basically, apparently, Argentina's central bank has run out of dollars and started stealing local banks' customer USD deposits to fill the hole. Now that's no longer working, so they're announcing a bank holiday, right? This is just crazy, guys. What's happening? So what's the next stage? More devaluations, no doubt, right? Again, have they learned from FTX, guys, right? Sam Bankman-Fried. This is the craziest thing. How, guys, have you ever thought that this would ever occur in the time we're living in right now? No, right? No, because everyone thought we're just safe, we're good to go. But look how things can change in the blink of an eye, right? Don't worry, the CBDCs are imminent as well, guys. But then obviously, who predicted this in the beginning of time? You don't say? Check this out. Now guys, to the fun part. XRP, the XRP Community. Now this is quite interesting. For Mr. Poole, a long time ago, right? He posted ATMs. What else? You guys can see a lot of these pictures that correlates with banks and whatnot. Look at this right here, guys. Right? From Mr. Poole once again. You can't make this stuff up. You just can't. Interesting. So is this going to be coming to a city near us, right? Near you? I believe these sorts of events will be taking place more and more, guys, right? I don't know. It just seems to be crazy to me. Look at this right here. Again, the money bags, right? Possibly a run on banks. Now, not only that is happening, guys. Again, guys, this was supposed to say a long time ago, right? Multiple times, actually. Now, it's beginning, right? Don't you see what's really happening? But wait, hold your horses, because breaking, Argentina's $45 billion IMF fund or bailout, IMF bailout includes the country must take on an anti-cryptocurrency stance. Wait a minute, what? So hold on. The system, I can't believe it. Hold on. They were about to collapse, right? They were on full-blown collapse mode, but look who comes in and saves the day, guys, for them, right? The IMF, guys, the International Monetary Fund, right? They're handing out these bailouts like it's nothing, but because they have to, guys, right? If they don't, their system would have collapsed and they would have had a trickle effect, a domino effect into other parts of the world. Don't worry, guys, everything is interconnected, to say the least. Not to mention, this is very important right here. The only way they will bail out Argentina is by they must take on an anti-cryptocurrency stance. That's very important. Now, why? Because of the fact that they don't want you to get rich. Why? Because we're going to probably have one final leg up, guys. Not to mention, they don't want you to be included in the greatest wealth transfer in modern history. Not even in history overall, guys, right? So this is just crazy, guys. They really don't, they want people, they want to price people out, guys. It's just mind-boggling to me, right? But they can't, because crypto is decentralized, right? But again, centralized at the same time. Look at that, guys, right? Come on. They are in quote-unquote power. Actually, they created this technology in the beginning of time, so hey. But the drug dealer promises to keep supplying their own medicine or substance if addict promises never to go into rehab, right? Again, guys, they're keep supplying. Not to mention, if this is this bad, look at America handing over billions upon billions to other countries, guys, right? Especially, you guys know, Ukraine, you guys know, guys. So let's prepare. Now, the quantum system has already mirrored everyone's bank accounts, so you're not going to lose any money, right? Now, the banks that are dropping off like flies, we don't need them. I'm not a financial advisor, but I wouldn't keep all of my money in the bank. I would buy some gold and silver and keep the gold and silver with you, not a certificate for gold and silver in a warehouse, right? Interesting. Again, guys, look at this. Wow. Gold and silver are going to go through the roof. That's my plan, guys. I'm going to buy a little bit of both, physical as well, if possible, before the collapse occurs. Bank of America is tied to Credit Suisse and is probably going to go down if they're just tampering at this point, right? Let the good times roll. Be kind, gentle, and humble with yourself at all times, guys. Now, again, this ties in with XRP at the end of the day. Why? Because breaking new Ripple publication confirms XRP on-demand liquidity payments are live in India. Again, it's all about liquidity, guys. Look at this. Bank runs are occurring. All these things right there. There is no liquidity in the system. Who comes into play possibly right when the system collapses, guys? XRP. Ripple does. You don't make this stuff up. The XRP ledger. Basically, Ripple is a San Francisco-based technology company that provides solutions for global financial transactions using blockchain technology. Ripple's blockchain network, called RippleNet, is designed to facilitate cross-border payments by offering a fast, secure, and cost-effective way to transfer money. Again, they will come into play at a systemic event, guys, right? A crisis, so to speak. Now, in recent years, Ripple has been working with several Indian banks to improve the efficiency of cross-border payments. India is one of the world's largest remittance markets, with millions of people sending money back to their families and loved ones every year. However, the current cross-border payment system in India is slow and expensive, right? With high transaction fees and long settlement times. This is where Ripple's technology comes in play. Ripple offers a solution that can reduce transaction fees and settlement times, making it easier and cheaper for people to send and receive money across borders, especially with liquidity, right? It's all about liquidity. Basically, from Crypto Airy right here, guys. Let's check this out really quickly, and this is the final tweet for today's video. Again, prepare. One more quick confirmation, XRP on-demand liquidity is available to use in India. Solution: accessing 7 days of interest-free, flexible repayment terms for your cross-border treasury payments, right? Ripple's payment solution also offers optimized liquidity for cross-border payments, including complex corridors like Brazil, Mexico, India, Southeast Asia. XRP as a neutral bridge, guys. Come on. This is all we need to know. Why is it literally called on-demand liquidity when we're literally seeing bank runs occur, guys, right? The global bank run has occurred, right? All these things. The system is on full-blown collapse mode, guys. You guys ready? Because I am. The system is about to literally become an Ouroboros, eat itself up to make the phoenix rise, right? All rituals at the end of the day, not financial advice. Prepare. But you guys, amazing. See ya.